Abusia yemo bibia akwaba de ba Youth Arena ewo Attention TV na no say Youth Arena de can youth wasem mabru yewo 21st century kamya say youth for ni bi adwuma bi a wontu o monka so de bia wo dress wo she coat wo de ko den ana be fa so na kwan be na obefa so a ebi o ye 12 hours a day okọ no aba no abetena so na wada den biem ono betimi ayaka ho ebra wo ye aban adwuma aban so entia neka ende ye wo penin bako e wo hanom se ya ni din ene obofo Michael a obekire ye no nyandwuma bako na oye otwasini oye semchoni ende dwuma bebre ana oye obekire kwan a ye betimi so afaso ye aban adwuma se ye mabuni ye aban adwuma na ye obi adwuma no na ye nso ye fa ho edidi nya ye nso ye kakra e wo enchen wana waso masne e University Foundation ene na teas boutique and cosmetic ebusia midi ene akosia sparkles Youth Arena esinie Attention TV esinie ye twa ye ho ye basisia Abusia me da say pa yes wonya bread try mami twa me hosima e de e bae the Youth Arena eso eniet na me di kan ne yenya obofo Michael e wodem hase ye ne no e betwetwe nkomo afa ye mabunu aya bae se 21st century oye obi adwuma chese wunye enua na wo beye wo she coat na wokọ na yentua wo kakra na chese noa ana wo beye de se wunye bi nka ho ni na now complaining say ejuma ni yentua me ka na odo sabe she odafum de odafum odemrifa na op baby ata na chese ejuma ana we ye na so na akotie bia emfrim mba ene obekire kwan ahodro a se aye mabrin betimi aye ejuma ahodro na yenso yenya bibi ahye ye botum ebusia won subscribe ya no subscribe e de amame wo share so a na wa share enso e de amame ye best ye betwetwe ye nkomo no bra ye wo broadcaster or ye broadcaster osanso etwasini osanso ye ejuma foforo e won tende ba editing so a number 1 in edit de nyama bebre ana oh yeah. How much you more cover?
Yeah, Akosia Sparkles.
Na sina me boy ejuma wo yeso, wo ye broadcaster.
Yeah.
You guys nye radio, nye radio kwa TV wo ho. E ko edit na wo ho, ye ko camera wo ho.
Ye turbo.
Ye ko sini trasa wo ho. How do you combine all these works together?
Akosia ma menchia na menchia hefo. Na ye na o ma sese da o mo jibe Attention TV. Me ankasa na mente me ho ase. Sometimes I na mente me ho ase. I live with passion.
Okay.
Yes, ayana me passion drive no too much a chain. Adia me ankasa ma sheda akosua. Yes, I'm a teacher by profession. You can say teacher by profession. I'm a core university. A degree in bachelor in mathematics. Okay. Yes, more BEd in mathematics. Okay. Me to me elective master teacher.
Japan. So trusting you.
Yes. Me chiradie.
Okay.
My chiradie for about 6 to 7 years.
Wow.
Yes. And my teacher so I went through stages. Okay. I know debi ameka say me nim say my life no Nyankopon e de me e fad niam bim because ebia echena bi bibi ntia I don't know because me chirade no me TA e wo university e jama se ma chirade wo university pen yeah ma chirade e wo nursery school okay ma chirade e wo KG okay ye de me ba primary lower primary me call ma chirade wo upper primary and na machadi wo GHS and na masa chire ade wo secondary school just a baby awo enti mi ankasa na tore bia eya na me ntebe ho ase okay enti me life process no say me when it comes to education aspect so what the me people's teacher I'm there. Yeah, you are there. What the me headmaster meet me here. I was once an assistant headmaster. Okay. Me was secondary school so now me school prefect. Okay. Enti leadership. It's a leadership. Yes. Enti sometimes na me make say the nyame be ye bia eye. Okay. Na the ema me kasa asem we nyina ne say I've had experience in so many things.
Okay.
Now me who say me passion ankasa media landscape.
Okay.
Now I can't remember saying me sha na me ni DJ ho. So we decided say eti me VHS na me ni omo de spinning machine. Enante no na me ni bi nante a na ebo ayi ase.
Na kyerese
You get it. Yes, inti me ye ko na ye de me attrans and then me come life story kakra. It has been a while me nche come life story.
Okay.
I've went through a lot.
Okay.
Inti DJ ni kakra na fe na me bo ayi ase kakra. And me hu say no the passion is there. Eti me chadi nyina no na me sa ewura journalism school kakra. Eti me benya diploma in journalism.
Okay.
And I'm here my say no. Was set me yet. Now God been so good. Yeah, Shasia no, yeah, Shasia radio stations Sebi Kafra at that time, one of the top-notch radio stations in Wukumasi. I was privileged to be as a program guest. Okay. And I'm a course me rawa me share the way near me city or how they do things. Now my na me observe. Yes, and later I find myself behind the console. And I'm say no, nyamia yebi. I got to a time I feel me sa chire journalism no so one school. Okay. And eti ekoye say as I feel na media na fe mabeti asemo. I feel me be hosting me program, me be a whole general manager of a radio station. Okay. I feel me be politics kakra. When it comes to politics and also there. So I'm there. Social issues I'm there. Entertainment and me sa be music. Yeah. Me be music and me ankasa me CEO of Heavy 7 Entertainment. Heavy 7 Entertainment. You produce artists. I've managed Kechi Kwame Apia. I've managed Dada KD. I've managed Frank Mensapozo, Nana Jemai. So many artists, upcoming artists, they be me or gospel musicians be under my label, me signing on. Ya nyum be I want market. After being a music producer, no, me sa ebe artist manager. I'm managing artists. Now, me who say movie in so no, manage home. I ventured into movie and a movie in so no. Me be yere me home. Kakra, so many movies. My future in about 20-25 movies. They met me at TV show. I will go for it. Okay. And I got a chance. I got a chance to manage Tracy Bwachi. Okay. Yes, Tracy Bwachi is my brand. Okay. Me na me managing no. Oh, me need Tracy Bwachi. We are no longer having that working relation. Yes, but we are cool. Okay. Offer me be enkomobia yedi ni ade.
Nti ebet me kasa when na Tracy Bwachi bar into the style life.
No. Okay. Tracy Bwachi was there before. Already. Yes, she was there already. And also adwuma no oko anim kakra. You need to get people to do other stuffs for you. Okay. Now ma try na social media. Social media handles. Yes, ne kakra. So I was working with her most of the time. Events be or yeah, I'm part of it. Okay. Yes. Now the time I make answer some way in and say I also the issue when so. Now I say obu who say you are multi-talented. Okay. They say me media. Mama me who quite say I'm ready to learn. Me sua ye. Okay. Said the bear ujai me say me nya I can do it. And see mostly to say the wow can say manager the oh yeah workaholic. The be me juma always traveling. I've had international experience in life. Me too quine but na and see bibi no can I don't know. Okay. This make us mean feel. Now you can say juma any you to know no adwuma bu o obeye sika mem. Okay. Adwuma bu o obeye sika mem. but they be amika say the passion no a driver no I don't know what so we because me jam certificate at all me kai the last time me hu me certificate
okay
me je the class mu kurawe
at the train so we jat ho
and no that's am making say at the train na wo the certificate na what chade ma to atwene me kai me hu be kura me certificate me kai
okay
say wo me ma me hu say den you I don't remember anything about school am call I don't remember but say you know me passion no na they be driving me day in and day out. Me that sorry I don't let them nam they be and I'm who I am today because of my passion drive.
Passion drive, okay.
You get it. And no any this scare bro. Now there are so many works waha. Yeah and train say obi opportunity now sana why. Now social media has given people so many things people need to grab.
Okay.
Social media no it has its own limit. Ye nipa no so no and then you to know there are so many things in our disposal. A thing say that is all. Me ring here shemi. I design it my own.
Okay. Yeah, because there was you can find at the sea. At the sea.
I design it on my own. And I'm using it. Obi hu for what year come on me who be that. I just pictured it.
Okay.
And eba me so na de me ye. Now I use it every day.
Okay.
The person me say ade da me say it's so nice and so beautiful.
Yeah.
Obi na ye the chair me.
Okay.
You get it?
Yes.
Ade we uti fie onye hwe with your own leisure time. What do you say my bre to bis we bi. Ne pair humani bi. Wa kodwuma wa bre a wo beda no. A what one a wonya hwe no de TV na wusina e dey bia you adwin so be 5 ansa na wada before you realize you can get this about 100 pieces.
Okay.
So a day bia we 5
yeah
times 30.
Yeah.
You get it. Enti before the end no bo so many beso no na wenya we 150 at the ho you can sell it.
Yeah.
Enti afei wakwa adwuma na wa bre na wo beje wa home na o feel say eso ni mfaso no now sa emre kakra bi na wonyan no it will give you money abra weni ma ho so. Enti there are so many things that we can do at our disposal. Now obi wo ho a o feel say just a white collar job enkwa na bitimi amano aye
say 21st century there white collar jobs na na say yeah.
Yes. Me every me kai say na me ma me ni me di nkomo no say also wo ye dwuma aboso ayi unyini na akọ pension ye betua wo ka na tote abayadwuma nko a na wo ya
okay
wo kọ pension ye betua wo ka. That is what I thought, not knowing say snake no even if you are doing your private work
you can go enjoy.
Now say opeso wo tua snake you can pay and at the end of your pension time you can sit and relax and SNIT will be paying you. Okay. I didn't know unless I entered. It's me who I'm saying then I will not waste my time on
white collar jobs.
White collar jobs. I need to do my own stuff.
Okay.
I started doing my own stuff. And no edimi too coin. Because me chira de no bibia ma mitim say me too coin.
I say debia ko kind book.
Yes. Koye lesson notes. Koye say koye eye total mess. A total mess. Now, asemba kwa me kan say me fancy tirim say adwuma any idea what in fifiri nko a.
Okay.
Both mental and physical output our ebeba no ene adwuma.
Okay.
Enti bia me kan say obi bo ashawa adwuma
because onya income.
Enye because onya income. So we no be done. It's work.
So no be have sex. No?
Yes.
And say adwuma.
Adwuma. Because at the end of day no or the energy or are they energy work say usua physics or say chemistry a you be catch you say work no energy plus me refi kakra energy plus bibia will give you work
okay
enti ade bia wo involve energy bia no adwuma you get it enti unu obi eda now energy lusu a adwuma you need to be paid on that enti payment mode no ene bi mu de ne yodo
ba edu obi so betwe wasan yo fi se send de hu na aba
there
be adwuma
se on say ebi mu se omo mu ye sex work no
aye
on say your sex work yes automatically work enu tina omo de sex work no eka ho because adwuma owia at the end of the day obi take money.
Okay, so I know that is ono nipa no she's not in the mood.
She's not in the mood.
Ono ni mood
but who person or render or service no at the end of the day you need to pay that person.
Okay.
What you say? It is say me this side dey be fato won say mpo say wonu obi be have sex. Now obi timi no obi have sex ni atua ne ka. Let's just say adwuma is everywhere.
Okay. There's a work is everywhere.
Work is everywhere. Ye adwuma ye no. Ye nigye mu ne atua ye ka.
Okay.
They say obi o ye adwuma wo club. Utimi ka so ye kohwini. Because club no ye adwuma no ye adwuma anadu.
But obi so beka say enye decent job for me.
What is decent?
Decent job ye ba ye when they say decent job no those who work in the day and because you share ladies younger ladies normal working in the pub. Okay. You know there's this particular dress what's say.
Yes, do unim emma yen emfa bibi enhye yitirim.
Okay.
When it comes to work.
Okay.
Se wo ye adwuma ewo ball aso a untimi nkobo tie enhye coat enhye shoe enko gina ball aso.
Okay.
It's because of the nature of the job. And they say who say will be gina ball aso now it's a coat it's a shoe automatically asema be catch any pan say there be bray because the field now wo gina no sadie no does not give you that chance to do that.
Okay.
It is obi adwuma e wo club or adwuma wo papa.
Okay.
Papa ho no yen se shoe. You get it? You need to dress to attract people.
Okay.
Enti ho no enu di na wo ko ho na ho no obi wo abehu so club. The dress ya wo ye no on the normal day you don't see that person dressing that.
Okay.
They be American to say Ya Jackson. I know her from scratch.
Okay.
Ya Jackson on a normal day, you see her dressing decent.
Are you telling us because you know Ya Jackson?
Yes.
Or you're just telling us? I'm
just telling you because I know her.
It's because what she portrays on social media is
yes, good. I'm coming there. What she portrays on social media is because that is the nature of the work that she does. Ayejuma oye.
Okay.
Osofu unim no. De bia wo she coat.
Debi.
So kofi a wo she coat no de dafi. Eya wo she den. Wo abon wo se wa she normal dress. Ade nan ka se sofu. No bia ye sofu wo she fie na wa she coat.
Okay.
Wa she normal dress. No, you need to wear coat. No, because on the battlefield your atade e she wo ho.
Okay.
Soldier ni beda on me shame military dress na. But when it gets to the battlefield, the dressing or the battlefield is different. We need to understand. Say adwuma na ye no. We need to be paid. Anything that you need to put into
to be paid,
you need to do it.
Yeah. Because people do think about what people would also say.
Say, anu does not pay. Anu hunu entiaka. Adwini mautrim.
Okay.
Adwini mautrim. Me on a normal day, it was series be in TV show. On a normal day, if you see me this is my looks.
Okay.
I have a beard, I have a hair kakra, me trasier, I look very decent. But show me serial e wo TV so a. You one baby sinibia me ko twa me yima bodu senyina.
Okay.
On the normal day you don't see me this.
Yeah.
Say me yima bodu senyina. No.
It's in the series or what you do.
Adwuma na me koye no. Die ewo mu ne say you abodwe say.
Okay.
And this care breme. Abodu say this care na dey breme.
So meaning that we can risk our life or what we have for money if
yes.
it bring us money.
If only what you are doing you think will help you do it.
It will bring you money.
It will bring you money. Do it.
Okay.
And on the youth no, am I a bre? It's a deal will be few say. Had you a me any public can want them to do? It's a commando.
Yeah. Say, go for baby, can want same. It's not a girl where they say not say, say not say.
Ebema commando.
Okay.
Ebema commando. Now, people will post on social media for you to just talk about that person.
Yeah.
To gain popularity. Now, obenye scare free home.
Okay.
Trini Jonas, one way or the other, is a fine guy. But immediately you over so camera scene you know. Now the camera tricks comes in.
Okay.
And when I was holding comfort time, say, immediately the camera is off. Yes.
Was to bring him
somebody like Councillor Lutrot.
Yeah.
He's a fine gentleman.
Okay. It's a camera bema.
But yeah, the camera scene so be microphone man. He goes other way because other way no and this cover. And yet the normal way.
Okay.
Only me tell no. Say me kase. O catch me say me so metu.
Say the camera ba.
But say the camera see me so about for cry. And later come for your 1,000 Ghana.
You cry.
I'm telling you, any 2 seconds.
I will
cry.
You cry.
Mesu.
By real life, they won't.
On the normal, they will not do it.
Okay.
And people should understand. So no, on the normal day, you won't get cash. But on the other side of your life, that gives you money.
Okay.
That keeps you going. It's the youth now. Utifia say, "Sikeni ho, edumeni ho no." I'm telling you, it's because you are listening to what people will say.
Okay.
And nothing I say edumeni ho no.
It's not just a minister ya say the youth should go and find something doing on their own.
You see, I will not turn into that tangent because they will not tell you the truth.
Okay.
Because on a normal day, he will not lie. But on the work of the duty, he will lie to get money.
Okay.
He will get your power. He will lie to be on top.
But on a normal day, they
are fine gentlemen.
Very gentle.
They are different. On a normal day, they will not fight.
They will not fight. Okay. Okay. Camera see so kasankwan.
Yes. Immediately, or assuming a Juma, or you say, I will fight. At the end of the day, I will get money. Okay. This is what the people want. So let me do it. Yeah. Achina, you put him on power because he fought for you at the other time. But on a normal day, he will not fight. He will not even insult you. Yes. And see, the youth should realize, say, on the normal day, it will not give you money.
Okay.
On the normal day, it will not give you anything. But try and do the other side. The other side is what is giving you money. Because on a normal day, you will not sit there quiet like this, put a lapel on your chest and start talking to a camera, which was designed by somebody. You will not do that. You won't.
I won't.
But on the other side, you will do it because after the month, you know, I'll get some scholarship.
Yeah.
You get it?
Yes.
Now, the youth should develop something within themselves that on a normal day. On a normal day will not give you anything.
On a normal day.
On a normal day, if you want to have sex, You have sex for love.
That is when the affection is there.
When the affection is there, that is the normal day.
But
I've missed my boyfriend. I feel for sex. You have sex.
Okay.
But when it comes to the other side, yes, my dear,
I'm not
as you are coming, I'm not in the mood. If you want sex, no problem.
So are you siding those who have sex for money? Let's say the side chicks and
on the normal day.
On the
normal day, or not have any problem with you. If you have your sex, you can have your sex.
Okay.
But on the other side, if you have sex for money, I don't have any problem with you.
I mean, you are siding on their side.
I'm saying I'm siding on the other days. I'll be cool with you.
Okay.
Because we do have sex that we don't pay.
Okay. That is the love own.
That is on the normal day.
On the normal day.
On the normal day.
That's why you are in the mood.
You are in the mood.
Okay.
But on the other side, your girlfriend will intentionally put in her mind that today the niska mini pa dia can come in come off. Because on the normal day you will not go. Oh my no meda.
But on the other side.
On the other side, no.
Oh yeah, damn, beba.
I need to come because hey, because me tnefie atwen china and so nya me menses. China the last day of my menses. Okay. On the normal day, I wait
till it's over.
Till it's over. And some kwa jiska. Makona mini nada na me ba wa mamiska. But now, and then you normal day. The other side, and then my min pe bi no. My min pe bi na blood ntwa. Na men kono ho. At least me kwa me ba me niska edietiti. That mentality immediately it comes to your mind. It just say you've moved from the normal day. The normal day na Emma Wiskam. Now you try to do something that will get you money.
Okay.
It's always try to know your normal days and try to know the other days. That will give you money.
It is a way you mama napko. Na napko ntia waka that is a normal day.
A normal day, mount because open one.
Other time and
the old normal time now if you say your normal time I'm fine you do make kwatena na fufuo e ho adi nkomo no.
Fire bibi.
Let me tell you. O kwatena na fufuo ni mu no. Obi o ta tena na fufuo mu no. Ma me nkyere ade a o kọ na fufuo mu abetimi aye.
Okay.
O de bia wo ho a to eyi piki anase toffee ewo ho anase awona toffee. I see some girls omuhia na mfufu mu a mfufu mu abonso waye cut cake anase toffee na wo condensed toffee na wo can mu bo se ehena mutu. It many him beats girls around here. Hey, me ton fan of you. Ubedi. Odi awo, me ma me one.
Let's say
odi about 20 pesos. Well, mam 2. Odi music casa ba de, mam 2 medoka.
Medoka.
Okay. On the normal day, ya could say edin komo. But obi on the other side. Obi ton of your mind. Indirectly, the person is working.
Okay.
At the end of the day, okodi konkonsa, but he's going home with some little coins. Unibi, you came there to lose.